Have you ever wondered where a woman's most sensitive spots are? Imagine knowing exactly where to touch to create an irresistible attraction in this video. We're diving into the 7 secret areas that can make any woman feel incredibly connected to you. Stick around until the end for a bonus tip that will drive her wild with desire, ready to discover these hidden secrets. Let's get started in these 7 areas. Every woman longs for a man to touch them. The female body has 7 locations that are highly sensitive for a woman, and that very few men know how to use to their advantage. By paying close attention to these points, you can help create an atmosphere that any woman will find highly attractive. The final 3 points will make a woman feel so drawn to you that she won't be able to resist having a more intimate experience with you. I'll also give you an extra tip at the end of the video that will drive women crazy, and that very few men know the 7th. By taking her hand, you are creating a tangible connection between you that transcends words. The palms of your hands become a strategic area to stimulate desire and attraction in a subtle but powerful way. This emotionally charged gesture can convey a variety of emotions from attraction and interest to security and support. Holding her hand creates an intimate bond that can make both of you feel more emotionally connected. It's important to approach this movement with confidence and delicacy, conveying security in every contact, as showing insecurity will ruin the moment. It's a powerful way to show affection and establish a deeper level of intimacy during an intimate conversation. You can gently take her hand while sharing a meaningful moment or while walking together, maintaining eye contact and a calm smile. While doing so, reinforces the emotional connection and the feeling of closeness. You can also sense her emotional reactions by feeling the texture and temperature of her hands, and you can modify your approach accordingly. The 6th, the nape, an area that many men tend to overlook, can be a powerful tool to increase intimacy and passion. A massage on the nape can release physical tension and awaken pleasurable and anticipatory sensations in a woman. It is important to approach this action with gentleness and respect, conveying care and tension in every movement. During an encounter, you can explore this area while observing how she reacts and how her breathing deepens. This indirect physical contact can send signals of desire and emotional connection, increasing the chemistry and magnetism between the two. Lastly, there's the lower back, which a lot of men overlook. When you touch her lower back, you're not only providing her with physical support, but also emotional support. This helps her feel safe and supported, which fosters a relationship based on trust and closeness, which in turn arouses feelings of attraction and desire in women. For instance, when you're spending time together, you can approach her from behind and gently place your hand on the lower part of her back. This gesture conveys a sense of protection and care, which can awaken deep emotions and create a more intimate connection between you. She will become very nervous if you keep making gentle, respectful contact and allow your touch to be both provocative and subtle enough to keep the mystery and intrigue. Always remember to read the cues she gives you and pay attention to her comfort and receptivity. Reaching down and placing a hand on the lower back can be a very effective way to generate a sense of anticipation and desire. The 4th area that all women love to be touched is their hair. By giving her a gentle touch, you are not only making a simple gesture, but also eliciting stimulating sensations that flow through her entire body. This simple, everyday act can instantly make her feel pampered and special. You can accomplish this act by gently approaching her and beginning to slide your fingers through her hair, caressing it delicately. Watch how she reacts to your touch. She may sigh, relax, or tilt her head slightly to give you more access. Touching the hair can be a powerful way to awaken deep feelings and emotions, establishing a deeper and more stimulant connection between both. If you have reached this point in the video, I invite you to support me with a like. This intimate gesture can create an instant connection between you, increasing intimacy and passion gradually but palpably. We are currently in the final 3 points, so pay close attention because these are the best ones to forge that deep emotional connection you desire with that special woman. You can also subscribe to the channel to learn more about the complexity of women. Although the back of the knees is a sensitive spot that is frequently ignored, it is a useful location to encourage complicity and seduction. A light massage in this region can bring on unexpected sensations and enhance the personal experience. It is advised that you use the tips of your fingers to gently touch the backs of her knees. This seemingly innocuous gesture has the power to subtly trigger an emotional and physical reaction in her and awaken her sensitivity. It is crucial to maintain a delicate and respectful touch, letting the massage be suggestive enough to generate an atmosphere charged with desire, but gentle enough to maintain the mystery and anticipation. You must pay attention to her signals of comfort and receptivity and be willing to adapt your approach as necessary. The massage on the back of the knees is a powerful tool to intensify intimacy and create a deeper and more exciting connection between both. Number 2, the feet are a highly sensitive area of a woman's body and special to awaken, stimulating sensations subtly and effectively. Massaging her feet is not only a gesture of care and attention, but also a way to show affection and appreciation towards her. Most men do not know this secret, but you can generate desire and attraction in a woman by gently caressing her feet with your hands, applying firm but gentle pressure. This gesture can make her feel pampered and loved-y, and it can also help her relax and release the accumulated tension of the day as you massage her feet. Observe how she responds. She, in relief, relaxes even more in your arms or looks at you with a grateful and affectionate expression. These are signs that you are doing something right and that your touch is being appreciated. To create an atmosphere charged with passion and desire. Massaging the feet can be a very effective way to increase emotional connection and intimacy. Lastly, the earlobes. A highly sensitive area can be a strategically placed point to elicit a feeling of deep connection. Nipping this region gently can cause rewarding and electric sensations because the ear contains a lot of nerves. You can approach her slowly, kiss her earlobes tenderly and playfully. Try out various methods and approaches to stimulate her earlobes and discover what she enjoys most. You could experiment with gentle kisses, delicate nibbles, or even seductive as you approach the end of the video. I will share an additional fact with you regarding this point. If you perform the aforementioned acts on her left ear, you can generate an even more stimulating sensation. In conclusion, understanding and effectively utilizing the 7 sensitive points on a woman's body can significantly enhance intimacy, desire, and emotional connection in any relationship. These points are often overlooked or underutilized by many men. Whispers near her ear to build tension between you. Playing with the earlobes can be an effective way to intensify the emotional connection and intimacy between both, creating an atmosphere charged with passion and desire. Possess the secret to releasing intense feelings and developing a closer relationship with your partner. Starting with the palms of their hands. Holding her hand can communicate a multitude of emotions beyond words, from attraction to security, moving on to the nape. A light massage can ease tension and elicit pleasant feelings, feelings increasing the chemistry between partners. In a similar way to touching the lower back indicates not only physical, but also emotional support. Moving to the back of the knees and caressing her hair is more than just a gesture. It's an intimate connection that can make her feel valued and special. It also fosters an environment of trust and closeness. A light massage can cause unanticipated reactions, deepening the intimacy of the experience. Giving her feet some much-needed attention can show her that you care, which will strengthen your emotional bond. In the end, the earlobes, a highly sensitive area, can elicit strong feelings when touched or nibbled. Knowing these points and their importance can result in intensely passionate and desirous moments. These gestures go beyond physical touch. They speak to a woman's emotional needs and desires. fostering a sense of intimacy and belonging. By incorporating these techniques into your interactions, you can create an environment where both partners feel understood, appreciated, and deeply connected. By doing so, you can strengthen the emotional bond between partners and solidify the foundation of your relationship. Take the time to explore and appreciate these sensitive points because they hold the key to a deeper and more fulfilling connection with the woman you desire. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips, you never miss an update. See you in the next video.